Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronnert, and today we're going to practice reading sounds from the story, The Water Cycle. I'll mark under the sounds with a color. Then you read the sounds with me. Let's begin. W, Y, V, S, G, P, I, E, U, A, Okay, let's read those sounds again. Ready? W, Y, V, S, G, P, I, E, U, A, Okay, now we're going to go ahead and read all of the sounds on the page one more time. I'll choose a new color. Ready? Let's do it. W, Y, V, S, G, P, I, T, E, U, A, Now let's see if we can do it really quickly. Ready? W, Y, V, S, G, I, T, E, U, A, We did it. That was awesome. Great job. Thanks for practicing your letter sounds with me, and I hope to see you again very soon.